Ready to make tough cleaning jobs easier? In this video, I'm reviewing the 5 best electric cleaning brushes, comparing cleaning power, battery life, attachments, and overall value to help you find the right one for your home. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber, Cordless Cleaning Brush with 8 replaceable brush heads, tub and floor tile power scrubber dual speed with adjustable and detachable handle for bathroom tub. The Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber is a great choice for anyone who wants to make bathroom cleaning easier and less tiring. With 8 interchangeable brush heads, it can handle tubs, tile, floors, grout, sinks, and other surfaces around the house. Its dual-speed settings let you choose a gentler speed for everyday cleaning or a stronger setting for tougher buildup. The adjustable and detachable handle is especially useful because you can reach floors and higher surfaces without constantly bending, stretching, or kneeling. The cordless design gives you plenty of freedom while cleaning, and the different brush attachments make it more versatile than a basic scrub brush. It's particularly useful for larger bathrooms where manual scrubbing can take a lot of time. The main downside is that stubborn, heavily built-up grime may still require cleaning solution and a little extra effort. Overall, the Leebein is best for homeowners who want a versatile cordless scrubber that can reduce the physical effort involved in regular bathroom and floor cleaning. Number 2. Electric Spin Scrubber, Cordless Cleaning Brush for Bathroom Home IPX7 Waterproof Power Scrubber with LCD display, multi-heads, extendable handle, 90-minute runtime for bathroom kitchen glass car. If you want a cordless cleaning tool with useful modern features, this electric spin scrubber with LCD display is worth considering. It's designed for bathrooms, kitchens, glass, cars, and other areas where scrubbing by hand can become repetitive and tiring. The IPX7 waterproof design makes it well suited to wet cleaning environments, while the extendable handle helps you reach floors, walls, shower areas, and other difficult spots without constantly bending or stretching. The included multiple brush heads also allow you to switch between different cleaning tasks. Another useful feature is the LCD display, which makes it easier to monitor the scrubber while you're working. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, it should be enough for most routine cleaning sessions before needing a recharge. The main limitation is that battery life can vary depending on the speed and attachment you're using, and heavy stains may still require additional cleaning. Overall, this scrubber is a solid choice for anyone looking for a waterproof, cordless cleaning tool with an extendable handle and convenient digital controls. Number 3. YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber, Cordless Power Cleaning Brush with long handle, 8 brush heads, 3 handle lengths, 2 speeds, IPX7 waterproof, 100-minute runtime for tubs, tile, floors, grout, glass, and cars. The YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber is a versatile option for tackling everyday cleaning without the constant bending and scrubbing that can make bathroom chores exhausting. It comes with 8 brush heads, so you can switch between cleaning tubs, tile, grout, floors, glass, and even your car. One of its biggest advantages is the 3-length adjustable handle, giving you more flexibility when cleaning floors or reaching higher areas. The 2-speed settings let you use a gentler setting for routine cleaning or a faster setting for tougher buildup. It's also IPX7 waterproof, making it well suited for wet bathroom environments. With up to 100 minutes of runtime, you can handle several cleaning jobs before needing to recharge. The main limitation is that stubborn grime may still require cleaning solution and some additional effort. Overall, the YKYI is a strong choice for homeowners who want long battery life, multiple attachments, and an adjustable design that makes everyday cleaning easier. Number 4. Camito Electric Spin Scrubber Q2, 4000 mAh battery, 1500 revolutions per minute high power, floor scrubber machine with long handle, cordless cleaning brush, 8 brush heads and smart display for showers, tubs, and tile. The Camito Electric Spin Scrubber Q2 is designed for users who want more power when tackling difficult household cleaning jobs. Its 4000 mAh battery and motor capable of up to 1500 revolutions per minute provides strong spinning action for showers, tubs, tile, floors, and other hard surfaces. You also get 8 brush heads, giving you different options depending on the surface you're cleaning. The long handle helps you reach floors and higher areas without constantly kneeling, bending, or stretching. Another useful feature is the smart display, which provides convenient information while you're working. Since it's cordless, you can easily move around the bathroom or take it into other areas without dealing with a power cable. The higher-powered motor can be especially useful for stubborn soap scum and buildup, although tougher stains may still require a cleaning solution or multiple passes. Overall, the Comedo Q2 is best for homeowners who want a powerful cordless scrubber with plenty of attachments, a large battery, and useful digital controls. Number 5. Electric Spin Scrubber, Power Shower Cleaning Brush with Long Handle, Cordless Cleaning Scrubber, 7 replaceable brush heads, 90 minutes work time, 3 adjustable size, 2 speeds for bathroom cleaner. If you want a straightforward cordless tool to make bathroom cleaning easier, this electric spin scrubber with long handle is a practical option. It's designed for tubs, showers, tiles, floors, and other surfaces where manual scrubbing can take a lot of time and effort. The scrubber includes 7 replaceable brush heads, allowing you to choose the appropriate attachment for different cleaning jobs. Its 3 adjustable handle lengths are particularly helpful for reaching floors and higher areas while reducing the need to bend or stretch. With 2 cleaning speeds and up to 90 minutes of runtime, you can adjust the cleaning power based on the task and handle most regular cleaning sessions on one charge. The cordless design also makes it easier to move around without worrying about a power cord. The main drawback is that it's better suited to routine household cleaning than extremely heavy-duty restoration work. Overall, this spin scrubber is a good choice for anyone who wants a simple, versatile, and cordless way to reduce the time and physical effort involved in everyday bathroom cleaning. Those are my picks for the 5 best electric cleaning brushes. Whether you're tackling bathrooms, kitchens, tile, or grout, there's an option here to make cleaning faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.